Hi, I'm at Hanoi, Vietnam. Just finished a 3-day Millennium Mind intensive training at Hanoi. It was an amazing experience. I'll talk to you about it some other time. But one of the things I wanted to mention about Vietnam is the fact that if you meet them, they have a lot of respect for elder, they have a lot of respect for teachers. And that comes from their value system. One of their very core value system is about family. They consider family as very important and very, very integral part of their belief system and their value system. So my question to you is, what is your value system? Do you have family as an important value system? Is it high on your priority? Because remember that whatever your value systems are, your children will inherit those value systems in a very, very large extent. And if you have family as one of your core values, your children will flourish. If you do not, if you give priorities for a lot of other things ahead of family, your children will lose that value of having a family. So, when I conduct my workshops, many times when I ask parents what their values are or what their family values are, most of them don't even know because we don't even think in terms of values these days. So, think about it. What is your value system? Is family a very high value on your list? If not, why not? Think about it. What do you think? Please comment on the box below whether family is an important value for you as an individual. Do you consider family as a very important part of your life, something that to be taken care of? That makes a big difference for your kids. Thank you.